Hello guys, welcome to part 4 of this inequality tutorial. Okay, in today's concept we're going to be talking about rational fractions. Well, let me just have something written here, which is going to be the example which we're going to work with today. X minus 2 divided by x plus 5 greater than 3. Now let me ask you a question. How will you solve this inequality? How? Well, let me just guess that many of you might think that we need to cross multiply. However, this is not possible because we do not know whether the denominator is positive or negative. And moreover, here we are dealing with inequalities. It's not an equal sign for us to simply think about cross multiply. So the first step will be to multiply the square of the denominator by both sides. So I'm going to have here x minus 2 times x plus 5 less than 3 into x plus 5 all squared. Okay, so we'll take this guy here to the other side of the equation. We're going to have x minus x minus 2 x plus 5 minus 3 into x plus 5 all squared. Now we need to factor. This is a simple way of solving this than other than multiplying and opening the brackets. We just can simply factorize out everything. So I'm going to have x plus 5 into, since x plus 5 is common, x minus 2 minus 3 into x plus 5. Okay, so we deal everything inside these brackets. X plus 5 into, well, here minus 3 times x minus 2x, and x minus 3x is going to be negative 2x. Minus 3 times 5 is minus 15, and minus 15 minus 2, or minus 2 minus 15 is minus 17. So we're going to have, so x is equals to negative 5, or x is equals to negative negative 17 on 2. So remember, as we said in the last video, x, first of all say x is less than the smaller number, and the smaller number which is less than x, and x less than the bigger number, and we'll continue. Well, if it was a chain like 4 different numbers, well, I'm going to give an exercise on this where we're going to continue with this process. Okay, but to make it for that, let's first solve this problem which we have here. Okay, so we are going to have x less than negative 17 on 2, negative 17 on 2 less than x less than negative 5, x greater than negative 5. So we're going to have some things. It is, let's draw a table here. We need it. So we need the factors. This is our quadratic equation. We need the factors. So here we have x plus 5. We have minus 2x minus 17. And we have the product. Let me just say a times b. Okay, the negative 17 divided by 2, that is negative 8.5, and one of the nearest number which is less than negative 8.5 is negative 9. So when we substitute negative 9 here, we end up having a negative value. Again, when we substitute negative 9 here, negative 9 times negative 2, that gives us 18. Okay, it's going to give us 18. 18 minus 1 is 1. Negative 9 times negative 18. 18 minus 17 is going to be positive value, so you are going to have negative values. Okay, so we have negative value when we multiply these two, and the number between negative 8.5 and negative 5, we have negative 6. So when substitute negative 6 here, we have negative value. Yes, still we're going to have a negative value because 12 minus 17 is a negative value. When you multiply, you give you a positive value. A number less than negative 5, we're going to say negative, sorry, greater than equal to negative 3. Negative 3 substitute here, we have a positive value. Here, negative value, negative. And now since we said it was less than 0, we end up being less than 0 here. We're going to take the negative values. So the ranges are x less than negative 17 on 2 or x greater than negative 5. Let me represent this on a number line so we can have a better picture of what we've been talking about. So this is our number line here. Let me have it drawn. Let me use my ruler. Zero. Now since they're all negative numbers, we can have a negative 5 here. And we can have a negative 17 on 2 here. So we have values like this and this. So this is our number line.